Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this eye trend on CapCut PC. So have like a photo. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm just going to kind of zoom it in. I might just crop it actually to a 1:1 frame ratio, and also the second eye picture as well, like so, making sure that's in the middle. You're going to go to mask, and I'm just going to select split. I'm going to split it halfway like so, and I'm just going to blend that. If it's like too big, you can kind of adjust it, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm just going to also split the other one as well in half and feather that out. Let's see if I can like scale it a little bit and maybe mask that later. Might just do that. I'm just going to actually scale this one, and I'm going to select the right click, create compound clip, and I'm just going to use the film strip to mask it so it's the same height. I'm also going to do that for the second one, so it's like the same height as the other photo. Then I'm just going to go to basic, and I'm just going to select both. I'm just going to scale it down so it fits this right here. And I'm just going to also enable main track magnet. Disable it. And I'm just going to place that to the right side. So it's going to be like this first. And I'm also going to make it like around 2 seconds. I just adjust it with the song. I can't use the song, so... Oh, I created a compound clip, so I can't. Okay, so maybe before that, you are going to create, do not create compound clip first, and then make it like this. Add a keyframe here, and then like at the end, you're going to put them together. So I added a keyframe here, and then like at the end, you're going to want to put these two together. Like so. Just going to move this to the left a little bit, and this one to the right a little bit. And I'm just going to move it like that. Okay, I think that's good enough. The duration should be longer. Okay, now add this on top, like I don't know what it's called, like the audio play thing. And then just place it here. Go to mask and select rectangle, and I'm just going to reverse that, and we're going to want to like create like this kind of shape, and I'm just going to make the edge rounded. Just make sure like the effect is still there. I meant like the eye is there. I might just like freeze them so that, oh, I can't freeze them. Okay, well, make sure just the duration is longer than this, because you want the thing to stay longer. You can even like, I'm just going to copy and paste it honestly, because there's like no space at all. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to delete the keyframe so I can see the eye still there. And that should be it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.